In this video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify an expression. And in this expression, the variables have exponents. Okay, so if we have a problem like this that says simplify the expression, and here we have a whole bunch of variables and they each have an exponent. Okay, so notice that all the variables are like terms. So even though they have an exponent, they're all exactly the same, right? K to the 3. So that means they are like terms. They are all k to the 3. So we can add all the positive terms together. So we could take all these positive ones and add them together. So we have 10 of these, right? 5 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 10. We have 10 k to the 3. Now we can add all the negative terms together. So we have negative 6 plus negative k gives us negative 7k to the 3. So now we could take the coefficient of each of these k to the 3's and add them together. So we have a coefficient of 10 and a coefficient of negative 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. So we have 3k to the 3. So our final answer is this. So when you simplify this expression, it just simply becomes 3 times k to the 3. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. As well, you could take a look at the description. I have a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.